guys, we're riding around the block right now. It's this idiot riding the bike. No! What up? Okay, I'm gonna let that hoe go over there. Oh, I'm coming over here because I don't want to be with that hoe. Hold up, he's gonna come back. No, never mind. He's not gonna come back. He's gonna be over there. Little bee. He's a little bee to everyone, guys. See? You guys saw him, right? Come on! Look at the bike that we can rob. But we're not.
Should have kept up with me.
I see it or not.
He should have saw me, bro. I was going like a beast.
But I beat you here.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
I was here. You were over there.
Cause my template.
Then you didn't. Then don't say you beat me.
Cause I did.